Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this helpful Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to save images from Word without losing quality. This method is perfect for extracting logos, photos, graphics, charts and designs from Word documents while keeping the sharp and clear. If your saved images become blurry or low quality, this tutorial will show you how to right way to preserve the original resolution. So let's get started. At first I open my assignment. This is a assignment from my college. Now I am student of intermediate. Then I go to the insert menu, click the picture option, then I insert the image and click insert. Then we can see my image here. Now I want to image save on the word, click right button and click the save picture option. Choose your file location and you can select your file format like PNG, JPG or the SVG, etc. Now I am select the JPG option and click write the file name, click OK. Then go to the file and check the image. We can see here the image and the image quality is high and resoluted. Now we can see we save image in Word without losing quality very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.